Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is How to Use Playlists on YouTube. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone. Playlists is a part of your YouTube channel page organization that a lot of people neglect because perhaps they think they haven't got enough videos, or that the viewer doesn't need that help in terms of navigation and finding the right videos. But once you get more videos uploaded to your channel, I think I've got over 300 videos on my channel now. It's very difficult unless they come from social media links, it's very difficult for people to easily and quickly find the video they're looking for. So playlists help them do that. Let me just click on my playlist to demonstrate some of the playlists I've set up. So actually, if we go to the home page, that's going to give you a better view, the playlist I've highlighted on the home page. So I have this playlist, your content and social media questions answered. Let me just stop myself. Your content and social media questions answered. LinkedIn advice for B2B businesses, that's a very popular playlist. Reviews, learnmoney.io, that's more about making money online, that's a different playlist. Life, more varied. Internet famous, vlogs, popular uploads listed by number of views, blockchain technology, and uploads. So those are my playlists, and it means that I can upload videos that are relevant to some of these playlists. So my last video I uploaded was why should you have a YouTube channel, and that's relevant for content and social media, but it's not relevant for LinkedIn, it's not relevant for reviews. So people can find the different categories they want to by you separating out all your videos in playlists. The benefit of this is that if people find a playlist that they are happy with and they like watching those sort of videos, like this one for example, they're more likely to watch more of your videos, and that will increase your watch time on YouTube. And the watch time is a very important metric because YouTube looks at the amount of watch time you're accumulating, the amount of minutes spent watching your videos by viewers, as a key determinant in how they view your channel in terms of obviously credibility, but also delivering their objective, which is keeping people on YouTube and serving ads. And obviously YouTube is a business and they make money from the advertising that comes in between your videos and other channels' videos when they're monetized. So increasing your watch time will help your standing with YouTube, and you'll increase your watch time. Now, so the first thing you must do, if you haven't already, is to create playlists. Let's click on, you need to go to Customize Channel. Click on Customize Channel at the top of your page. Just clicking through now. I'm going to click on Playlists. So here the playlists, and click on there again. So if I wanted to create a new playlist, some of my playlists are private, you can see that's why the lock icon is there. If I wanted to create a new playlist, I just click there, and then let me show you, give it a title, decide whether it's public or private, unlisted. So let's make this one private. I'm going to delete this after this video, but I'm just demonstrating for you. Private, create. So this is, now I would be able to click on edit here, and I can add videos. So I can add videos from, I'm going to click on add videos. Right, so let's assume I'm going to make it, I'm going to add my own videos. So let's just put this one, and let's go. Click those three, add videos. So they should be now being added to the playlist. So there we go. This is a new test playlist that I've just created, and that's how simple it is to create a playlist. Now let's go back to playlists, and let's go back to home page. Back on the home page. So that's how you create a playlist. Everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. I've got the playlist set up as I explained earlier in the video. So that you're creating once you've created your playlist, you also need to use cards in your videos. So let me show you a video let's go into this one. Let's go into this video here to promote their course. And you'll see here I've got cards, and instead of going to individual videos, I've added playlists. So at a particular point in the video, in this video, I link to your content and social media questions answered, which is one of my playlists, and LinkedIn advice for businesses, also one of LinkedIn advice for B2B businesses, also one of my playlists. So in doing so, I will encourage people to view not just another video, but a whole playlist, and potentially, a few of those videos on that playlist before they decide maybe they want to go elsewhere, or they have another search query to enter. So that's how to not only create playlists, but also use playlists to encourage more watch time, which will increase the standing of your YouTube channel in the eyes of YouTube. It will help with increasing your AdSense revenue, and it will help increasing the number of subscribers you have on your channel. So it's very important. Now, those are the key actions you need to take with regards to your own playlists. One thing that you should also consider is that your videos may be included in other people's playlists. And when you look at your YouTube analytics, let me go to a different page. So let me change view. On this screen, you can see some breakdown of YouTube analytics with regard to playlists. You see here, I've just highlighted here. So playlists are driving traffic. It's only 0.3%. Most of my traffic comes from YouTube search and from recommended. But playlists do account for some views and some watch time. So liked videos is one of my playlists. Impact quotes is not one of my playlists. And I can click through here and see the owner, and I've already done that, and see the owner of that playlist. And they have included a couple of my videos in their playlist, and so I'm getting traffic from their playlist, which is excellent. So playlists are driving new subscribers and new viewers to my channel by having my videos included in somebody else's playlist. Blockchain technology is one of my playlists. eClincher review, I did a review of eClincher. It's a social media management tool, and my video has been included in somebody else's playlist, which is called eClincher review, and that's driving views and watch time as well. Client testimonials is one of my. So playlists can work for you in terms of the playlists that you create, but also the playlists that other people create. So if you're not already using playlists as part of your YouTube strategy to increase your watch time, increase your number of subscribers, increase your number of views, then you should be doing so. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Click on my face to subscribe, and click on one of the two screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye. Here's the new playlist inspired by the making of this video. So it's called YouTube Help to Grow Your Channel, and you'll find it on my homepage. Here are some of the video titles that are now in this new playlist. Why should you have a YouTube channel? Why is YouTube shutting down messaging? What are the best sectors for a high AdSense CPM on YouTube? How to get YouTube views using Quora? I underestimated YouTube subscriber giveaway. Is it too late to start YouTube? Etc, etc. So there's a few more videos in this brand new playlist that I decided to make while I was making this video about playlists. So I hope you find that useful. It will be easily accessible via my homepage on my YouTube channel. If you've watched all the way through to this part of this video, you're getting a bit of a bonus, because when I started the video, when I was planning it, I didn't know I was going to make a new YouTube playlist today, but I've done that. And I hope you find it helpful and it helps you to grow your channels. If you have any questions for me, drop them either in the comment section on any of these videos, or just send me a note via the community section, the community tab, and just click on that now, the community tab, and you can leave me a comment there. Okay, so that's my latest on the community tab earlier today. A picture of me editing in the back of a car. Right, okay, enough. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.